What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a fun, spooky DIY project that is perfect for this time of year, and I'm so excited. We're going to be taking a Barbie dollhouse and turning it into a gothic Barbie dream. Before we get into this video though, I have to tell you that this entire thing was heavily inspired by a girl that I found randomly on Facebook. Her name is Sarah Browning. I will link her below, and she turned this amazing house into this beautiful haunted mansion, and I was like, you know what? I need to do that. So I hopped on Facebook Marketplace, found one for $15 down the street, and this is what we got. But I'm gonna be showing you step by step of how I created this and all the products that I'll be using. So I will put those all down there for you as well. But if you'd like to see how we got this beautiful dollhouse and turned it into a gothic Barbie dream, then keep on watching. So before I started painting it, I wanted to make sure that it was clean. So I just took some soap and water, washed it down. This actually came from a child daycare business that is no longer a business, so they were getting rid of stuff. So got this for $15 there, but needed to clean it after I washed it with soap and water. I just took the hose down and then I let it just air dry in the sun before we started. For paint, I actually got this at Home Depot. Highly recommend it. Cheap and really good quality. I got it in a flat black. You could get it in a semi-gloss, a satin, a gloss, but I think the flat matte definitely worked out the best. Now, if you're a pro at spray painting, please don't come at me. This is like the first time that I've been using spray paint in forever, so I had to get used to it. But when you see as I go on, it's easier and easier for me to use. I just had to get the hang of it. But I love how instantly it coats everything super evenly. And as you can see, it's a nice, rich black color. I love it. It was, again, super easy to use. I definitely highly recommend it. But for anybody who finds spray painting as satisfying as I do, there's something about spray painting or watching something get spray painted so satisfying for me. So the next few minutes, it is just me spray painting this. If you're one of those people who just find it calming and satisfying, I left it on here for you. But if you're not one of those people, you could just skip through once we get to the detailing work. So now we're on day 2. I let each section dry for a day. This paint actually dries down really fast, but because I knew I was going to be laying it down, I didn't want to take the chance. So I just took it day by day. So it took me 3 days to do this. I'm sure you can get it done quicker than that, but again, I just wanted to take my time because I was actually having a lot of fun and my finger needed a break. I don't know if I was holding it down too hard or what, but my little index finger kind of had a little bruise on it, so it was kind of sore from all the painting. Then once everything was dry, this was crucial for me doing it outside in the sun, because what I'm doing is letting the sun hit surfaces to see if I missed anything, and it really helped me out because there was a lot of spots that I actually missed and I had no idea about. So I just kept it on the cardboard and spinning it around and getting all the little details, and it worked out perfectly. For paint supplies, I got these at Michael's. Super inexpensive. So I got that entire set of acrylics and then those little brushes from Michael's. And I think the acrylic was like $7, and then the brushes were, I don't know, like $10 or $13. And then of course Michael's always has coupons, so I got it for even cheaper. What I failed to realize though is the paint set that I got was an all acrylic metallic paint set, so everything is metallic on this, but I'm not mad at it. I actually really like it. So what you're seeing now is I'm just going and doing all the little minor details, just adding some character back into the house. But I don't want to do too much because I want to keep it spooky and airy and things like that. But I also want to give it a little bit of life. So everything that I'm mixing it with black so it dulls it down a bit. But I'm obsessed with the finish of this. If I could go back, like, I would not pick regular acrylic. I would keep the metallic. It's just such a super, super pretty finish on the house. This part was definitely tedious, but fun. I was not precise with this at all. I kind of kept it a little bit sloppier just to give it that old look, like as if it was worn down. So definitely easier on you as well. But after all the little mini details, this is what it looked like. Again, I was just trying to keep it still the integrity of the black. I wanted that to be the showstopper, but the little details I feel like really did bring the house together and made it look a little bit more complete without being overwhelming, because I didn't want to completely paint this house. I just wanted those little details, and I'm obsessed with it. Now this is with it all put together. That little tree I got from Target, my friend got it for me. I think it was like $5. I put some moss right in front of it. And then I have LED candles inside the house that I got off Amazon. And then those little tea light candles I got from the dollar store. I did not realize how dark it was when I was filming this. It was definitely lighter when I was. And then when I edit it, it's a lot darker. So I apologize, but I feel like it adds to the mood. Super creepy. I'm seriously so in love with the way it turned out. It could not be more perfect for me. It is beautiful and I cannot wait to display it against all my other spooky Halloween things. I have to give a shout out again to Sarah Browning for this amazing idea, and I hope that this makes you guys want to do it too. It's so fun, super easy. If you guys have kids at home, I think this would be something fun for them to do too, if they're into the spooky season like myself. I don't typically do DIYs on my channel. I'm more of a beauty channel. We talk about makeup and fashion and hair and skin and things like that, but this made me want to do more. I'm a lover of art, so anything that involves my creative mind doing something, I'm totally all for. So if you guys want to see more DIYs, just let me know. We can definitely add them here on my channel as well. But that's it for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to all my videos if you guys like to see more. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is Amanda Devon on there. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.